What's up guys, Mixed here, back again for another video, and today's one is a special one. As I said, I'll be doing this, it's my 200 sub special, and today's cocktail to celebrate reaching that goal is to make an Espresso Martini, and I will show you guys how to make this simple but very nice coffee based cocktail. So first, get your cocktail shaker and put some ice. Now pour in 30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. I'm using Grey Goose, it's a special occasion this. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of Kahlua, which is a coffee based liqueur. And last guys, 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh coffee or espresso. So make sure it's nicely fresh. Right, the trick for this cocktail guys is to shake it really hard. We'll give it a good shake for 12 seconds, trying to get a nice foam on it. Like shake. Give it a bang to separate. A cocktail glass, I'm using a Coupe. And what you want to do guys is double strain, so get your strainer and just strain into it. There we go, we'll just let it settle now. As you'll see its own colour, be a really crisp brown colour. Right, now it's settling guys, time to garnish with 3 coffee beans. Right, see if we can do this. A little settle on top, yeah. Very nice. There we go. Right, I'll give you a closer look. It looks like at the top. And that guys is 1 Espresso Martini. How does it taste? As I'm a big fan of the Black Rush, I certainly love my coffee-based cocktails, so this is definitely right up my street and the perfect way to celebrate me reaching 200 subs. You guys have been fantastic and let me reach 200 subs before the year's out, so this one's for you guys. Cheers. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as I will be doing more cocktail videos, a lot more winter ones and Christmas ones throughout December. So I'll be taking you the way all the way to the new year. But one more time, we will be doing the Coupe Reviver number 1 and Coupe Reviver number 2, so that will be the next cocktail video. I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers guys. And just to end the video, I just want to apologise for last week, as it should have been done last week, but I was really busy as there's away at Derby for Saturday and Sunday. I just ran out of time to do this video, so I do apologise. But I hope you enjoyed the video guys, because like I said, I will be doing the Coupe Reviver number 1 and number 2, so I will not be letting you down in that regard, and stay tuned. Thank you.